Transform your team's email management with Eloquens. Today, we'll guide you through creating a perfectly streamlined workflow that puts your email communications on autopilot. Let's begin by heading to the Workflows page in your Eloquens dashboard. Next, look for the Add Workflow button in the top right corner. One click here opens up a world of possibilities. Time to give your workflow its identity. Start with a name that speaks to its purpose, like support. Add your manager's details and an optional calendar link for seamless meeting coordination. Let me give you a pro tip. Group your workflow under a relevant category like support for better organization. Now, let's configure your email settings to establish your workflow's communication style. Choose your workflow's voice by selecting an email persona, then decide between draft mode for review flexibility or send mode for automatic responses. Want to unlock more power? The Advanced tab is your gateway. The Advanced tab helps you, customizing response tone for that perfect support agent feel, setting smart filters to manage incoming communications, configuring intelligent routing for those crucial escalation moments. Next, you're ready to make your workflow smarter. Upload your essential documents straight from your computer, Google Drive, or OneDrive. Think product documentation, FAQs, or anything that powers better responses. Fine-tune your oversight with precision. Add CC and BCC recipients for comprehensive visibility. Set up draft notifications for that extra layer of quality control. Take one final look at your masterpiece. Is everything looking good? Find that power switch and bring your workflow to life. Congratulations! You've just created a workflow that will transform your team's communication. Remember, you can always return to fine-tune these settings as your needs evolve.